Can Elon Musk's new AI chatbot GROK actually help you make money online? Sounds crazy, right? But what if I told you it's totally possible, even from your own home? In today's video, I'll show you real steps to use GROK AI to start a business. Get ready, because this could be your easiest way to earn money in 2025. Step 1. Understanding GROK AI. Let's begin by getting to know what GROK AI is and why it's so special. GROK is a brand new chatbot created by Elon Musk's company. It's not just any chatbot, it can understand your questions, think deeply, and respond in a way that feels like you're talking to a real person. Unlike other AIs, GROK gives you unfiltered answers. That means it's bold, fast, and super smart. People are talking about it everywhere, and even some leaders are worried about how powerful it is. But we're not here to worry. We're here to learn how to use this power to our benefit. GROK isn't just for fun conversations. You can use it to build business ideas, write messages, plan content, or do research. Today, we're going to focus on one amazing thing: using GROK to help make money online. Imagine using a smart tool that gives you ideas, writes for you, and even builds your business plans. That's what GROK can do. If you're ready to explore how this tool can become your online helper, stick with me. In this video, we'll use GROK step by step, starting from nothing and building something cool together, right from your own home. Step 2. Copy and paste magic. Now that we know GROK AI is super powerful, let's use it for something fun, and maybe even life-changing. We're going to give GROK a simple task using a special prompt. Think of a prompt like a question or instruction. In this case, we'll type, "I want to start a business like Home Advisor." That's it. Just copy this line and paste it into GROK. Now press enter and watch the magic happen. Home Advisor is a huge company that connects people to services like plumbers, roofers, and cleaners. Every time someone clicks on their website to find a local service, Home Advisor gets paid. GROK will look at this idea and help us copy it in a smart way. But don't worry, we're not stealing anything. We're learning from a great example and building our own version with GROK's help. The cool part? GROK will give us real ideas, markets to target, and even tools to get started. You don't have to guess or do hours of research. Just one line, copy-pasted into GROK, and boom. You'll have your own money-making business idea ready to go. It's that easy. Let's keep going. Step 3. Finding your market. All right, now that we have our business idea, the next step is picking where we want to start. GROK helps us by giving a list of the top 50 cities or areas where this type of business could work really well. These places are full of people who often need help with things like fixing roofs, cleaning homes, or repairing things. We want to find a spot where many people need these services but don't have many options. That's where we come in. Let's say GROK shows us a city like Gainesville, Florida. We look at the data and see there's a high demand for roofers. That means many people need help fixing their roofs. Perfect. We'll choose Gainesville as our starting point. Don't worry if you live in a different country. You can still target places like the US using online tools. You can even pick more than one city later if your business grows. But for now, start with one. Choosing the right market is super important. It's like planting a seed in good soil. Your business will grow faster and stronger. GROK makes this step easy because it does the research for you. Step 4. Content creation. This is the fun part, creating content that people will actually see online. Content is anything people read, watch, or click on. With GROK's help, we can make videos, short Instagram reels, TikToks, or even simple websites. These will help us connect homeowners with local workers like plumbers, roofers, or electricians. When someone watches your video and needs help, they'll contact you, and that's how you earn money. Imagine making a short video that says, "Need a roofer in Gainesville?" Call now for a free quote. You include your tracking phone number, and when someone calls, you get paid. The more videos and posts you make, the more chances you have to earn. You don't need to be a pro editor or designer. GROK and other AI tools can help you make everything fast and easy. Even better, one video can be shared on many platforms: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook. That way, more people see it. Think of your content as a sign that says, "Help is here." When people see it and respond, you win. So get creative, stay consistent, and let GROK do the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Step 5. Call tracking magic. Now that we're getting calls from our content, we need a smart way to manage them. That's where call tracking software comes in. This tool helps us see who's calling, when they called, and which service provider they were sent to. It also keeps a record of every call so nothing is missed. It's like having a super organized notebook for all your business calls. We can set up this system using a tool like DialHawk. It only costs a little to get started, and it does a lot of work for you. You buy a special phone number that connects callers to local businesses. Every time someone calls that number, the software knows exactly who to send it to. You don't have to sit by the phone all day. The system rings multiple businesses at once, and whoever answers first gets the lead. When the call goes through, the business hears a short message like, "This free lead was sent by you." That way, they know who helped them. At the end of the week, you can send an invoice for the total number of calls. If you sent 10 calls and charged $100 each, that's $1,000 in your pocket, on autopilot. Step 6. Scale up with AI. Once your system is working, it's time to grow bigger and smarter. This step is all about letting AI tools like GROK handle more of the work for you. Instead of doing everything yourself, you use technology to do the boring parts. That way, you can focus on the fun stuff while your business runs in the background. With GROK, you can find new niches, create content ideas, and even build websites. It can write scripts for videos, suggest the best places to advertise, and help you reach more people. You can even use it to find more cities or markets, just like we did with Gainesville. Think of GROK like a team member that never sleeps. It keeps working while you're eating, sleeping, or playing. You just give it a command, and it gets busy doing the hard stuff. That's what makes it so powerful. Want to do more? Use GROK to build another website or launch a second campaign. Once your first location is running, it's easy to copy the same system for other areas. The more you grow, the more money you can make, and AI will help you every step of the way. Step 7. Marketing with AI. Creating content is just the beginning. Now it's time to make it shine. We're going to use a smart tool called InVideoCreator.com to make our videos look amazing. This website helps you build short, professional-looking videos without needing editing skills. All you have to do is type in what you want the video to say, choose your style, and the AI will create it for you in minutes. Want upbeat music? You can choose that. Want clear American voiceovers? You got it. Even better, you can add your phone number right into the video so people can call you right away if they need help. It's like making a mini commercial for your service business. We also add subtitles so people who are scrolling without sound still understand what's being said. You can create videos that say things like, "We fix leaky roofs in Gainesville." Call now for a free quote, and then include your special tracking number. The best part? You can create several videos each week using this tool, and each one works as a magnet to bring you new leads. This step makes your business feel real and professional, even if you're just getting started from home. Step 8. Going live and making money. Now for the final and most exciting part. Going live with your content. Once your video is made, it's time to share it with the world. You don't need a big following. Just post the videos on free platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook. These places are where people spend lots of time, and your videos will show up when they're scrolling. Create pages with names like I Love Gainesville or Gainesville Roof Fixers. This makes your page feel local, friendly, and trusted. When someone from that city sees your post and has a roof problem, they'll call the number in your video. And that's when you earn money. Each time a person calls your number, the call tracking software sends them to a roofer and keeps track. If you send 5 or 10 calls in a week, you could earn $500 to $1,000. The cool part? You didn't leave your house. You let AI and smart tools do most of the heavy lifting. Keep posting new videos, try different styles, and stay active. Over time, your pages will grow, more people will call, and your earnings will increase. Congratulations, you're now making real money using AI. Liked what you saw? Hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends.